Hello everyone, Scruffy Golden here. After some fridge slide drama, I was ready to secure my fridge to my Tembo Tusk fridge slide. Now there are a couple of ways to do this, so I thought I would explore ARB's fridge tie-down kit, since I was securing an ARB fridge after all, and these are designed to work with each other. At the very least, it looked like a fast way to do this. When I first opened the package, I was a little unsure of how to proceed. Not seeing any instructions, I flipped over the package and I found these little grayed out diagrams on the back. After staring at them for a few minutes, I did what most of us do and tried Googling and YouTubing ARB tie-down kit installation. Nothing. Seriously, I literally couldn't find anyone demonstrating how to install the tie-down straps. Now this is usually a good sign that something is so easy that nobody thinks it's worth posting a tutorial for, so I just jumped in and tried installing these things on the fly. The truth is, it only took a few minutes of trial and error to figure it out, but why try to figure something out if somebody can just show you? That's what I'll do in this video. It'll probably be the shortest video I've ever created, but if it saves you a few minutes, then it'll be worth it. So let's get started. Out of the package, there are 4 cam buckle straps, a couple of stainless steel anchors, 4 small powder-coated adapter brackets, and 4 bolts with associated washers and nylock nuts. The first thing to do is to thread the straps through the large stainless steel anchors. Frankly, this is the only part that isn't self-evident, so that's probably why the little diagrams only refer to this part. Lay out the strap with the bottom of the cam buckle facing down. Insert the strap through the anchor by entering the lowest hole from the front and pulling it out the back. Then bend the strap back and weave it back through the middle hole from the back to front. Then weave it again through the top hole from front to back. Pull the strap through the entire anchor until the buckle is pulled up near the anchor itself. Do this for both straps on each anchor for a total of 4 times. One anchor with 2 straps will secure the front of the fridge, and the other anchor with 2 straps will secure the rear of the fridge. Now, to attach to the fridge, the stainless steel anchor has 2 hooks that hang from the bracket on the front of the ARB fridge just under the handle. When installed correctly, the cam buckles will hang from the front of the anchor with the bottom of the buckles facing the fridge. The straps should hang down from the back of the anchor. The straps feed through any loops or hooks that you may have, and then up through the bottom of the cam buckles where they can be cinched tight. For demonstration, my Tembo Tusk slide has these holes in the corners where I can thread the straps from inside out, and then up through the bottom of the cam buckle. If you don't have something to thread the strap through, like I did here, another option is to use the adapter brackets that ARB supplies with the tie-down kit. To attach an adapter, simply drill a hole through a convenient medium. For example, I could drill a hole through the front of the fridge slide. Insert the bolt through the adapter, and your fridge slide with the order being bolt, washer, adapter, fridge slide, washer, nylock nut. Tighten securely, but be sure not to over tighten. Once attached, you can thread the strap through the adapter from the inside out again, pull it up through the bottom of the cam buckle, and cinch it tight like before. To clean things up a bit, I used small Velcro strips to secure the loose strap ends. I also cut the straps to shorten them a little. Now the back of the fridge has the same setup as the front, so you can use the same steps to secure both the front and the back of your ARB fridge. If you found this video useful, please smack the like button so it could spread to others that would also find it useful. In the meantime, live without compromise, and I'll see you out there.